DPF Xpress is a family-owned business based out of the Carolinas. Our mission is to provide an exceptional level of customer service matched with an advanced DPF cleaning system. With our proven 10-stage restoration process, which includes a cutting-edge ultrasonic chemical bath, we can remove over 95% of certain contaminants. This in turn means that we can deliver you a like new filter for a fraction of the cost of an OEM replacement. We want to make sure using us is simple and easy. With our services, we provide a free door-to-door pickup and delivery service. For most of our territory, we offer a 24-hour turnaround with a max of 48 hours in some areas. We are confident in the superior level of DPF cleaning that we provide. This means we back every one of our cleanings with a 1-year unlimited mile warranty. In an effort to revolutionize DPF cleaning, we also offer cleaning services for medium-duty pickups, passenger vehicles, and any other diesel engine equipped with a DPF system. For an additional fee, we can replace damaged bungs as well as repairing any other damaged welds on the original unit. In the event your filter is cracked, we do stock brand new DPFs with a warranty up to 3 years with no core charge. To complete your repair, we have a large inventory of gaskets and clamps we can provide for your restored or new filter. We at DPF Xpress take extreme pride in our work, and we look forward to working with you. For more information, please check out our website, dpfxpress.com, or contact us directly from the info below in the description.